Chapter 5 Frogs at School. Learning Objectives 1. Being kind to animals. 2. Understand the importance of animals. 20 froggies went to school down beside a bushy pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests, all white and clean. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Master Bullfrog, grave and stern, called the classes in their turn, taught them how to nobly strive, likewise how to live and drive. From his seat upon a log, showed them how to say ker-chog and how to dodge a blow from the sticks which bad boys throw. 20 froggies grew up fast, bullfrogs they became at last. Not one dunce was in the lot, not one lesson they forgot. Polished in a high degree, as each froggy ought to be. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. A poem by George Cooper. Find meaning. Fairy, like a bush, growing thick. Nobly, in a noble manner. Grave, serious, dignified. Leap, jump. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. 1. What did the frogs become at last? What do they do now? Answer. The frogs grew up and became bullfrogs at last. They teach other little frogs now. 2. What did the froggies learn at school? Answer. The froggies were taught how to nobly strive and likewise how to leap and drive. 3. Why do you think that no frog was a dunce in the lot? Answer. No frog was left dunce in the lot, since they had all become the bullfrogs now. 4. What were the frogs wearing? Answer. The 20 little froggies wore green coats and white vests, all white and clean. Find their meaning. 1. Bullfrog. A North American frog which has a deep croak sound. 2. Stern, very serious. 3. Strive, to try very hard to get something. 4. Dodge, an act of evading by sudden bodily movement. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. 1. The poem is written by George Cooper. 2. The school is down beside a bushy pool. 3. Froggies wear green coats. Tick the right options. 1. Froggies went to 1. College. 2. Park. 3. School. Answer. 3. School. 2. How many froggies grew up fast? 1. 10. 2. 30. 3. 20. Answer. 3. 20. Match the following. Column A. 1. Bushy. 2. Dunce. 3. Leap. Column B. A. Bad learner. B. Like a bush growing thickly. C. Serious, dignified. Answer. Bushy, like a bush growing thickly. Dunce, bad learner. Leap, serious, dignified. Let's enjoy the poem. Here's a shape poem. Try to write your own frog-shaped poem. You can use some of the words from the fir tree poem, but try to think of some of your own as well. Communication. Writing skills. Write an application to the principal, Primary Section, ABC Public School, Delhi, asking for a leave for 2 days on account of the wedding of your uncle. Reading skills. Read the following paragraph and do as directed. It is at 8:30 in the evening. The large crowd of wedding guests is there. Aman's cousin is wearing a light green shirt. Riya is wearing a very nice dress. She is wearing a red frock. Aman and Riya's mother is very happy. She meets many of her old friends. She sings beautiful marriage songs with her friends. Now, underline the describing words in the passage. Count the words and write the number. Listening and speaking skills. Your teacher will summarize the poem. Listen to the summary carefully. List the questions related to the poem to which you seek answers using why. Discuss the answer to questions in the class.